Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. This is the summary video for today lesson. Subject Science, Class 5, Unit 1, Investigating Plant Growth. Lesson 1.5, Plants and Light, from your learner book, page number 15. And your homework for today, revise your classwork. So let's start. First of all, learning objectives. You know that plants need energy from light for growth. This you done yesterday also. Measure length. We will do activity today, so you know after the activity how to measure length. Present results in a line graph, and different knowledge and understanding to plan how to carry out a fair test. If you want a test, how to make a fair test. So let's start. 1.5 activity: investigating the effect of light on plant growth. Yesterday we done this in the class, and I show you how to make table. So plant A and plant B. Okay, showing us result for 3 weeks, height in centimeter, number of leaves, color of stem and leaves, their general appearance, healthy, not healthy, strong, healthy. Yesterday we discussed this one. So at the end, our result was plant A grow best. As usual, plant B is not showing us good result. Why? Because it is in a dark place, or we put in a box. And plant A showing us good result. It was in a sunny place. That's why plant A showing us good result. So according to this table, this is also in front of you. We have question on page number 15 from your learner book. Decide what type of graph is best to show your result. Now you have table, so we want to make a graph. There are different kind of graph: pie graph, bar graph, line graph. So which one is better to show our result? So for according to me, line graph is better. A line graph is better or best for showing our result. We have plant A and plant B, and, different for different their measurement, their color for 3 weeks. So let's start. You can see a line graph on your screen. Height of plant in centimeter. This one showing us height of plant in centimeter, and this one days, or you can say date, different date. Okay, plant A and plant B. You can see plant A, it's starting from 10. Okay, on the first day, you can see 10 March, starting from 10, its growth. And now with the passage of time, after 3 weeks, it's reached age 22. Yes, 20 or 22.5, like this. And what about plant B? Plant B starting from 12, and then 16, and then it stop at 17, and stop at 17. Plant A showing us 22.5, and plant B show us 17. Sorry, yes, 17 centimeter. So plant B not grow well because it was in a dark place. After this, draw a bar. You can see this question on your learner book. Draw a graph of the plant's growth in height. This one we done, okay, on last slide. Next, he said draw the plant at the end of his investigation. Investigation, label your drawing. Label no need, just draw a true plant like this, okay. Plant A and plant B. Plant A we put in sunlight, so also you can say this one growing well. If you see the leaves, stem, and plant B is thin and not growing well. According to this slide, we have question on your learner book. Question number 1. Which plant grew the best? Which plant grew the best? Plant A or plant B? So you know this. Plant A grew best. Plant A show us good result. Question number 1, part B. Do your result support your prediction? This is you write from your side, uh, according to you. If you make any activity, so what do you think your prediction according to your result? Question 1c. Name two ways in which your measured plant growth. Name two ways in which your measured plant growth. So we can write easily height, measured height. Okay, like this we know it's growing. And another thing, counted number of leaves. You also know plant A leaves increasing and plant B leaves change the color and fallen down. So name two ways in which you measure plant growth. So we measure plant growth how? Measure height and number of leaves. Question 1, part D. How else could you tell which plant grew better? How else? You see question number 1, part C. So he said, how else could you tell which plant grew better? The color of the leaf. I told you before. I know because if we see a plant showing us green color of their leaves and stem, it means they are growing better. The color of leaves and stems, it's enough for you. Okay. And general appearance. If I show any plant, it's showing us greenery, it's showing us good result. So general appearance of the plant show which plant grew best, better or best. Question number 2, why did you keep one plant in the dark? Why did you keep one plant in the dark? So we want prediction, so you can write one plant was kept in the dark to show that increased growth of a plant is due to the effect of light. We put one plant in dark place and one plant in sunlight place. And after 3 weeks, it show us in the dark place plant cannot grow well, and in the sun in sunlight place plant growing best. So also it show us the effect of light. Also you can write to show that without light plants do not grow well. Okay, any answer you can choose from here, this one or this one, to show that without light plants do not grow well. Which factor, question to be, which factor or factors caused the changes you observe? Which factor or factors? So you can write the amount of light, the amount of sorry, the amount of light caused the changes observed in this investigation. The amount of light. Okay, we have investigation, we have activity for what? To check the light, sunlight. Without light plant can grow or cannot grow. So amount of light cause the changes observed in this investigation. Question number 3, part A. Write a conclusion for the investigation. What was the result? So write your conclusion. Plants need light. Plants need light in order to grow. Plants need what? Light in order to grow. Question 3, part C. Is this investigation is fair test? Yes, we told you. If I want fair test, we should put all other things which necessary for a plant. We are just investigating about sunlight. Okay. Other thing, water, any other thing for the plant necessary, we give them both. Okay. So is this investigation a fair test? Explain why or why not. Yes, it is a fair test. Only one factor change. Which factor? Only sunlight. The amount of light. Both plants were similar in size, in the starting, and had same amount of water. Yes, we give them properly water and were kept at similar temperatures. At that time, at the beginning, we put at the similar temperature. One we put in the box and one in sunlight place, but in a room. So other thing we give them properly, but just one plant because we want investigation about sunlight. What happened to a plant if I put one plant in sunlight place and one in dark place? Okay, do you think you have enough data to form a conclusion? Say why or why not. So no, There is not enough data to form a conclusion. This is not enough data for to form a conclusion. If you have more plant, if you have more thing, you can make more better conclusion. Again, I'm repeating, do you think you have enough data to form a conclusion? Say why or why not. So no, we cannot conclude properly. Okay, we need to observe. If I told you on last my topic, if you have more plants, you can observe more things. Okay, you can observe more things, which plant need what thing. Okay, so you can say here, no, this is not enough for conclusion. Okay, suggest a way to improve your result. Okay, you say now you want to tell us what's the good way to improve our result without doing the investigation again. So simple. To improve result, pull result from the whole class. Okay, I told you, if I do only one, so I just only one mind. If the whole class give me the result, everyone give me their page, said this is our my investigation and this is my result, everyone showing their table, so this one showing us good result. So how to improve your result? If everyone make by itself their investigation, okay, their experiment, and then like this we can find the good result. If you repeat this investigation with a different type of plant, would you get the same result? Yes, from you. If you are using other thing, okay, other plant. If for example I'm using a kidney plant, kidney seed plant. If you are using someone other fruit or someone other seeds, lot of seeds here, lot of fruit here. So make experiment and then tell me, is their result same result? Yes or no? And then vocabulary word. So try to memorize these words and write on your notebook. And also write question answers, okay, on your notebook. These all questions were from your learner book. Measure, measure. Height, pre- prediction, prediction. Appearance, appearance. And dark, light. Okay, boys, take care, everyone. Just revise your classwork. Assalamu alaikum.